To dream the impossible dream has become a reality. Our hearts are beating with excitement with the arrival of our love boat. That love boat is ONPASSIVE. Founders let us all board ONPASSIVE and let it take us to any destination. Love is abundant in the ONPASSIVE Love Boat. All of our care about money will drift away. Founders on the Love Boat are full of love for all founders, regardless of who they are. They are ready to help uplift humanity. Those things that bother those on the Love Boat will just drift away. In the ONPASSIVE Love Boat, all founders are leaving all of their financial problems behind them. Total financial freedom is what we have. Suddenly mental anguish and fatigue vanished. We are no longer slaves to what we don't have. ONPASSIVE has given us the means to be masters over our financial problems. The ONPASSIVE Love Boat has tamed the raging waters of the internet. People for decades have had nothing but heartache and massive disappointment when trying to navigate the unrelenting waters of the internet, trying to make money. They have been tossed from pillar to post. Many have been shipwrecked. The Love Boat will not allow that to happen. Captain of the Love Boat is Mr. Mufareh. A hearty debt of gratitude to our captain and his crew. There is a miracle that is about to happen. For those who have tried to have success on the internet, for those who have struggled and lost money online, relief is on the way. Climb aboard the Love Boat and bask in the success of others on the Love Boat. For those who have dreamed to have a better life for themselves and their families, relief is finally here. When this miracle happens, the world of the internet will undergo a complete makeover that will have an everlasting impact on all. Founders on the ONPASSIVE Love Boat will visit countries needing help for the people who live there. The ONPASSIVE Love Boat will dock at every harbor on this planet, showering the blessings that they received as founders to people in need of help. Oh Bless will have the main cabinet on the Love Boat. Mr. Mufareh and his family made sure that founders never forget why he built ONPASSIVE. The ONPASSIVE Love Boat has an unlimited capacity to hold many founders, but very soon the Love Boat will stop accepting new passengers.